As a social media manager, handling so many responsibilities like creating content, scheduling posts, writing out content ideas, creating content calendars can be so tasking. And in this video, I have compiled 5 important tools that you need to use as a social media manager that will help you to be very, very effective in your role. The first tool that we have on the list is the Coschedule Calendar. With the Coschedule Calendar, it's a very easy way that you can create your content calendars. So you can actually create your calendars on weekly basis and also on monthly basis. And one cool thing about this is that just right inside Coschedule Calendar, you can actually create projects, you can actually create tasks and actually track them. How cool is that? So if you are wondering how you can actually create a very easy calendar, a go-to calendar that you can just create in 5 minutes, then Coschedule Calendar is the best calendar content calendar tool for you. Very easy to use. Even a beginner can use it, and it's actually free, so you don't have to pay any money to actually access this calendar. For the second tool on the list, we have the Social Boutique grid splitter. So the whole purpose of this grid splitter is to actually split your IG post. So let's say, for example, you have carousel posts like this and you actually want to split them into grids, or you want to create a sort of grid on your Instagram page like this. You can actually use this tool to split them into threes, into fours, into eights. So if you want to split a carousel, you just click on select image and then you go to your camera roll or your computer and just pick a carousel that you want to split. So I've picked one now, and then I'll just click on how many columns that I want it to be. So I want the columns to be 6 columns, and I want it to be a carousel. It can also be a grid. So you just click on split image and then it will just do the rest of the work. So it's basically just splitting the image for you. And my posts are actually almost ready, so they are here and ready to download. So Social Boutique has helped you to actually split your carousels into 6 parts. You can split it to however parts that you want it to, but for this video I splitted it into 6 parts. So it's really easy and really nice. And for the third and very important tool that you should use as a social media manager, we have Meta Business Suite. You guys, if you're a social media manager and you're not using Meta Business Suite, what are you doing? Because Meta Business Suite is literally amazing because you get to link your Instagram and your Facebook, and that way it gets interesting because you can actually create a content calendar even in Meta Business Suite and schedule all your posts for on a monthly basis, weekly basis, and however you want it. So in Meta Business Suite, you can actually create reels, you can create images, whatever it is, and actually schedule them. Like, how cool is that? Like, you don't have to worry about posting on Instagram individually and posting on Facebook as well. You can just do everything all the Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite also have other advantages like checking your insights, your analytics, and managing your ads, and so many other things. If you're a social media manager, you want to actually jump on Meta Business Suite. For the fourth tool, this is very interesting. We have Headline by Coschedule. This app or this website is very interesting because you can actually check your headlines and you can also analyze your headlines. So let's say, for example, you have a particular headline in mind that you want to use for your blog post, your YouTube channel, or even your Instagram, and then you just type it on Headlines Studio, just as I'm doing, and then you click on Instagram. So when you're done typing your headline, you just click on generate, and the Coschedule will help you come up with some pretty good headlines that you can use, and they will suggest some things that they think that you can use for them for your Instagram, and you can also analyze it as well. They can also show you some related topics and so many other things. It's really, really cool. For the last tool, we have Google Keep. You guys, Google Keep is very, very interesting. I love Google Keep because if you're a social media manager or you're a digital marketer, one way or the other, you get to write content ideas, you get to write copies, and you get to write so many things. And you want to make sure that you actually always have to store them somewhere. So that's where Google Keep comes in. So in Google Keep, you can actually store all your notes and you can search for them. So you never have to lose any of your notes. And it has really nice color codes that I love. So let's say, for example, you can write a particular note, give it some nice color themes, and just differentiate everything, and it looks really good and amazing. And I would advise as a social media manager, you actually use Google Keep. We have come to the end of this video. What did you think about these 5 tools? Are you going to be using them? Which of these tools did you like the most? Was it Google Keep? Was it Headline by Coschedule? Which of them did you find amazing? Let me know down below in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.